Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoin using the Strike app. So Strike is kind of a new finance app. By the way, you can run this on your mobile device as well, your iPhone or your Android phone. It runs the same exact frame here. And by the way, they have a card coming as well. So if you're on the Strike app already, get on the wait list for the card. And if you don't have Strike, if you haven't set it up at all yet, just check out some of my previous videos and it'll show you how to get started. But here we have the app open. You can see I have $56 exactly in my cash balance. I can come to Bitcoin here, and then to sell some, we can click here. See, this is about $3.03. To sell some, I'll just click sell. I'm gonna type $1, tap next. It's going to give us our order details here and tap confirm. Hit the check mark. Just like that, we've sold $1 of Bitcoin. I can come back here to my cash balance and see I now have $57. So there you go, very simple to sell Bitcoin on this app. You can run it in Chrome via browser extension or on your mobile device. I'm going to go ahead and buy back that $1 of Bitcoin. There we go, bought it back. $3.03 back in my balance. $56 cash now. So very simple to buy and sell Bitcoin. If I want to send my Bitcoin to a separate wallet, I just tap this icon up here and I can send it to any wallet that I want, no fees. So that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.